Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we will study how to solve the quadratic equations by factorization. Three x square minus 2 root x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, the first step is to multiply the first term and the last term. So what I get? I get plus 6x square. We have to multiply the first term and the last term. Now we have to find the factors of 6. 1 6 are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Now, which pair of factors can give me 2 root 6? So, these two pairs of factors can't give me root 6, 2 root 6. So, I have to find one more factor. That is, root 6 is also a factor. Root 6 into root 6, we get 6. So, we know that root a into root a is equal to a. Remember this. Okay? And root a plus root a is equal to 2 root a. Remember this. Now, by using this pair of factors, I can get minus 2 root 6. See, root 6, I have to get minus 2 root 6. So, I have to give minus signs for both. So, minus root 6, I'll get minus 2 root 6. So, this pair of factors will serve my purpose. So, now my aim is to split the middle term. Middle term should be split into two parts. Next step, 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have to cross check. If I multiply these two, am I getting this term? Minus root 6 into minus root 6, I will get plus 6x plus 6. Minus root 6 into minus root 6, I will get plus 6. Now among these two, what is common? X is common. And I will take root 3 as also common. Because root 3 can divide 3 and root 6. So, root 3x, root 3 into root 3x, I can write like this, root 3x. It is root 3x. Root 3x into root 3x, I'll get 3x square. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. X into x is x square. Now I want minus root 6. So, if I write root 2 here, so root 3 into root 2, I'll get root 6. Root 3x into minus root 2, I'll get minus root 6x. Now leave a gap here and write once again root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now I have to fill the gap. I want minus root 6. So if I write minus root 2 here, then I'll get minus root 6. Minus root 2 into root 3 minus root 6. Now minus root 2 into minus root 2, I got 2. Now this is the common factor between these two terms. So root 3x minus root 2, what is left here? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. I got two factors here, root 3x minus root 2, root 3x minus root 2. I will equate each to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now I have to solve this equation. Root 3x is equal to root 2. I have transposed it to the right side. Minus becomes plus. So x will be equal to root 2 divided by root 3. So here also we get the same thing. X is equal to root 2 by root 3. So this equation has got two equal roots, that is root 2 by root 3. So the sums we are solving in this class are from the NCERT textbook. NCERT textbook. So the sums that we are solving in this class are from the NCERT textbook. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. This sum is from the NCERT textbook. So now the first step is multiply the first term and the last term. What we get, if you multiply, that is root 2 into 5 root 2. What we get? Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 5 into 2, we get 10. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So we get 10. When we multiply the first term and the last term, we get 10. X square. Now we have to write the factors of 10. 1 into 10 is 10. 2 5s are 10. Now, among these two pairs of factors, this pair of factors will give me 7. So 2 plus 5, I will get 7. So if I multiply these two, I am getting 10. Now root 2x square, this will be split into two parts. 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Among these two, common factor, I will take root 2 as a common factor, x also. So root 2x is the common factor. So simply if I write x here, root 2 into x, I will get root 2x square plus root 2. Root 2x into root 2, 2x, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now leave a gap here and write once again x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now I want 5x, so just write 5 here. If I write 5 here, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into root 2, 5 root 2. Now again x plus root 2 is the common factor between the two terms. So common factor, I am taking it outside, x plus root 2, then root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. I have got two factors here. I will equate each factor to 0. X plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So now if I solve for x, x will be equal to minus root 2. Here 2x is equal to minus 5. X will be equal to minus 5 by 2. So we have got two roots here. This equation has got two roots, that is minus root 2 minus 5 by 2. It is root 2x here. It is root 2x. So this will be root 2. So the two roots are minus root 2 minus 5 by root 2. Two x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Now to remove this denominator, I am going to multiply all the terms with 8. See, 2x square into 8 minus x into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 0 into 8. I have multiplied all the terms of the equation with 8. So in this case, I will get 16x square minus 8x. Here they will get cancelled here, plus 1 equal to 0 8 is 0. Now we have to multiply the first term and the last term. This sum is from NCERT textbook. Now first term into last term, I'll get 16x square plus 16x square. So the factors of 16 are 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So I got 3 pairs of factors there. Which pair will give me 8? This pair will give me 8. So, but I want minus 8. See, 4, I want minus 8. So I have to give minus for both. So minus 4, I will get minus 8. Now we have to cross check. When I multiply these two, I should get this. Am I getting it? Minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. So this is okay. Now 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So here 4x is a common factor. 4x. So 4x into 4x, 16x square minus 1. 4x into 1 is minus 4x. Leave a gap here. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now fill the gap. I want minus 4x. So simply if I put here minus 1 into 4x minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Now there are among the two terms 4x minus 1 is common. So 4x minus 1, take it outside. Again 4x minus 1 equal to 0. I got two factors. Equate each factor to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. Here also I'll get x is equal to 1 by 4. So this equation has got two equal roots, that is 1 by 4. In this class, we have studied solving the quadratic equations by factorization. We have solved the sums from the NCERT textbook in this class. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.